We're making buffalo chicken grilled cheese. So I got simply a rotisserie chicken from Walmart today. And we're just gonna cut this bad boy up and get the chicken off of it. So I'm gonna cut my chicken up. So in our big bowl, I got some whipped cream cheese spread. That's what we're using. Just gonna take it, mix it right on in there. We got our buffalo sauce. And then we just kind of want to mix that in. Try to give everybody some loving, you know. And your choice of bread. I'll be using the Arcentio, that bread right there. I use a little bit of Dukes. That feels better. So we're gonna go with our chicken cream cheese mixture, cream cheese. Oh, I have been thinking about this for so long. Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of cheddar, because cheddar makes everything better. And of course, a little pepper jack. Put my top on. I'm gonna press it down. I'm just gonna use my hands. I put enough to put it on the bottom and top. Sandwich number 2, because we have more than enough. So what I'm going to do this time, though, I'm going to do it a little different for the second sandwich. Put my pepper jack down. Then I'm going to put my cream cheese chicken mixture. Been thinking about doing this recipe for like weeks now. It's been like that intrusive thought in my head. I'm gonna put my little cheddar to make it better. And my pepper. Then we're just gonna kind of smash it down a little bit. Oh, perfect golden brown. So we have our grilled cheese. Nothing fancy, a simple lunch. Let's try a bite. Oh man. Look at that. I'm telling you. Make this. 100%. Don't, if you ever don't believe me for anything else, make this. It's not overly spicy. It works perfect together. Oh my gosh. This is money. Straight money. All right, y'all. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. Whip up the kids their sandwiches. Y'all take care. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. As always, I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you check out my mom's YouTube channel. Her link is in the description below. The ingredients I'll have in the description below for this. It's so simple. 3 ingredients, a cheat meal, and I guarantee you, you can make tons of sandwiches.